Hey, what's happening everybody? On YouTube, Steve here, Raiken Profit. In this video, I want to teach you how to make money from home with absolutely no money at all. So listen guys, real quick, I was able to quit my job over 6 years ago. Used to work at a place called the Cracker Barrel, delivering pizzas at a pizza place. I was working at Namco, Toys R Us, all these crappy jobs. And I was able to quit my job by doing a whole bunch of different things online. A lot of the income that I made was from home, and I want to teach you guys, I have 8 various strategies right here written down that are going to help you to start making money from home with no money at all. And it's not some of those freaking scams and those weird surveys and all these like internet marketing things that you see some of these YouTubers talking about. These are real things you can literally do to start making money from home. So let's dive right into the video and get into it. So the first way that you can make money from home, and this is something that everybody can do, is you can start going around your house, start looking around and asking yourself, what are some items that I have laying around, maybe in the kitchen, living room, the attic, the basement, that I don't use anymore? Like for example, maybe an old Vitamix blender. Just look around, you might have like, I don't know, a lamp, or you might have some old electronics or a cell phone that's outdated. I know I have a cell phone right over there that I don't use anymore. What you do is you take those items, you list them on eBay, and you sell them and you make some cash really, really quick. The average person, I forget where I read this statistic, but the average person has around like $3,000 to $5,000 worth of valuable items in their house that they no longer use. That could even include clothing, shoes. There's so many items, guys. So look around your house and start listing those items on eBay. And within a couple weeks, a couple months, you could have a couple $1,000s in your bank account. Now, if you want to learn about some other items that you can buy and sell on eBay, it will require you to go out to like thrift stores and garage sales and stuff. Check out the free book right here. It's called 100 Amazing Items to Resell. It's 100% free. Download it. But that's another great way to make money as well. Again, you might have to leave the house a couple times during the week to go find those items, but eBay is a great way to make money with literally no money by just going around your house. Number 2, another great item that's laying around the house, especially if you're like a college student or you're a kid and you have a lot of textbooks or used school books laying around from like a semester or a year ago, what you can do is you can take those items and you could sell them to different websites online. The number one place to sell your books online is Amazon.com. Now, you can sell as a merchant, or you could send it into the Amazon FBA warehouses and then they'll sell it for you. You'll make some extra money, but it is a little more work. Amazon's a great place to sell your books. Also, if that book is still in demand, a lot of times they'll offer you like a buyback price, like instantly. So all you got to do is print off a label off Amazon, ship it into them, and they'll pay you 30, 40, 50 bucks. I've gotten over $100 instant cash from Amazon selling old textbooks. So definitely check out Amazon and look around your house. What you need to do really quick is download what's called the Amazon Seller app. And it's a barcode scanner on your phone. Essentially what you do is you flip over your book and you scan the barcode and it'll tell you what it is worth. So definitely check that out. Number 3, this is a great underutilized method to make money online. If you're dead broke, if you don't have any money, but you do have some skill sets, right? Maybe you are a graphic designer, or maybe you are great at writing copy, right? For like sales videos or sales pages, I meant. Or maybe you have a skill set of singing. What you could do is you could go on a website such as Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, or Upwork.com, and you can literally sell your services as a freelancer. So there's a million different things you can do. Even if you're retired, maybe you used to be an accountant or used to be a consultant, or maybe you used to help people drive leads and generate sales, you could go on these websites and you could literally create a profile and offer your services. And what people are going to do is they're going to reach out to you and say, hey, I'm willing to pay you this much money to do this for me, or to write this ebook for me, or to get a 30-minute consultation. Upwork and Fiverr.com, I will link them up down here. These are great places, guys. It doesn't cost you any money, and you could start making money quick. Another great way to make money, and I've actually been having quite a few people doing this to me, so I know it's working. What people have been doing to me lately is they're reaching out through my email, because as a YouTube business, as someone with a YouTube channel, you have a little portion in the it's like your profile settings that gives your email. Well, people have been emailing me and asking me, hey, do you mind if I send you some free samples of graphics that I've created? I'd like to start creating your thumbnails for you. And I actually hired somebody doing this. I'm paying them $10 to create a thumbnail for me. Now you might be thinking, Steve, isn't that going to cost money to go out and buy Photoshop or some type of graphic design program? Like maybe I don't have the skills. Listen guys, go on YouTube and look up graphic design, canva.com, C-A-N-V-A.com. You can create graphics that are beautiful on that website. There's templates and everything, and it's 100% free, and there's tons of people out there already teaching you how to do it. If you already have Photoshop, that's probably going to help a little more, but start reaching out to YouTubers. Start sending them private messages, because most YouTube channels have crappy thumbnails. And, you know, for me personally, I was like, wow, like this guy sent me a bunch of his thumbnails and they looked good. And I said, all right, you're hired. And he's been helping me out a lot, and it's been really saving me time and adding value to the people who click on my videos. So that's another great idea right there. The fifth way to make money from home with zero money, and this is going to be for the folks out there who enjoy writing, is creating Kindle ebooks. So Amazon has a platform called Kindle, and essentially what you do is you create a Word document, right? And then you can essentially upload that into Kindle, and when people purchase the book, it automatically will send it to that person. Now, I've personally built a ebook business with over 200 ebooks. Now, I didn't write them. I actually outsourced them to ebook writers and content creators. But for the example in this video, since you have no money or you have very little money, I would just write them yourself. Now, you might be thinking, Steve, it's not going to be worth my time to write a 150-page book. Here's the thing, guys. Most of my Kindle ebooks are like 3,000 to 5,000 words. They're very, very small. It's like 15 to 20 pages. Now, you might be thinking, Steve, who the heck's going to buy a book that small? I don't know. A lot of people, let me put it this way. A lot of people are trying to solve a specific problem. For example, instead of creating a book all about, 87 ways to make money online, what if you just dove into selling clothing on eBay? That would be much smaller instead of creating this huge entire product. Or maybe gardening. Instead of creating a whole entire book about gardening, maybe you narrow that down to hydroponic gardening or aquaponic gardening, and you create just a little tiny reference book. So for me personally, I sold them at $2.99, and I ended up making a little over like $1 per book. And again, you're probably thinking to yourself, Steve, that's chump change, it ain't worth my time. Well, the cool thing is, once that book is created, that's an asset that can make you money for years and years on end. I have books that were created over 3-4 years ago that make me $40, $50 every single month. And another cool thing, once you create those ebooks and upload them to Kindle, you can also turn that ebook into a CreateSpace book. Long story short, when the book is purchased, Amazon will print that book on a hardcover or a softcover book and send it out to the customers for you without you having to do any more work. Plus, you make more money. And in addition, you could turn that ebook not only into a CreateSpace book, but into an audio book as well using audible.com. You guys, these are ninja tricks that a lot of people don't know about. You can make so much money online without any money starting, but it does take time and hard work. So those are some other great options as well. Another great way to make money from home, you don't even have to leave the house with no money, is by creating niche Facebook groups. So for example, say you are very passionate about, skiing. You can create a Facebook group all around skiing, and what you can do is you can start posting content in that group, things that you're interested in, pictures, maybe quick tips, maybe resources, articles. And when people start engaging in that group, it's going to be slow at first getting people in, but once people start coming in, and you can go to Reddit and you can go, create a YouTube channel and post about the Facebook group, people will start joining. When people start engaging in that group, Facebook's going to automatically push that group out to other people. They're going to recommend it, and people are going to start joining and joining. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, Steve, how am I going to make money? Well, here's the key, guys. Add massive amounts of value in that group. Create a community, and when you start getting 50, 100, 200, 300, 500 people in that group, you can monetize it by either A, creating some type of product that could be an ebook, a consultation, B, promoting products that would help your audience. So maybe a skiing ebook or a skiing course, or I don't know, like things that skiers would want to buy. I don't know that market, but you could start promoting affiliate offers, selling your own products. There's really a lot of options that you can go about in terms of monetizing a free Facebook group. But I literally just left a conference called AdCon. There were so many successful people there, and tons of people were making a lot of money doing exactly what I taught you there. So definitely look into that, building Facebook groups and monetizing them that way. The seventh way that you can make money from home with no money is by a YouTube channel. Now, if you're watching this video right now, I've got this YouTube channel monetized in quite a few various ways, but the easiest way to make money from a YouTube channel is through the Google AdSense program. Now, unfortunately, if you're watching this video as of late, maybe in a couple of years it'll change, but as of late, YouTube made a new change that you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours watched during a certain period of time to monetize your channel with Google AdSense. But let's just say you're already above that. You can make money just by creating YouTube videos, and it doesn't cost you any money. So the Google AdSense program is a great way. If you already have an email list built up, you can start, promoting affiliate offers from them and building up your email list from your YouTube videos, which is what I do. But having a YouTube channel is a great way to make money, but it will take a bit more time, in comparison to the other strategies that I shared with you. And the last strategy I want to share with you, number 8, is Craigslist. So I actually quit my job over 5 or 6 years ago, like I mentioned, and what I started doing, now this may require you to leave your home a little bit, but you can do most of it from home, is by looking on Craigslist for undervalued items, what I like to call sniping items. So what I did was I was just pretty much stalking Craigslist looking for undervalued mountain bikes and road bicycles. So these are bikes without a motor, just bicycles that you pedal around. And what I would do is I would research them on eBay, I would research them on Craigslist to see what the average price was for them. And when I would find somebody selling it for 50, 60, 70% under market value, I would buy it and then I would put it back on Craigslist and flip it. So, there's definitely money out there doing it. And now you might be thinking to yourself, who in the right mind is going to sell it that cheap? Here's the key. You want to find somebody who's a motivated seller, somebody who is maybe moving out of town or dealing with a divorce, or unfortunately sometimes people pass away and it's kind of like, the family members come in and they're just trying to clear out space. Those are the best people to deal with in terms of getting a good deal. So you can literally just sit on Craigslist and look for bicycles. You can look for people getting rid of textbooks. There's 1,000,001 various products out there. Again, if you haven't already, be sure to get the free book, 100 amazing items to resell. That'll give you guys a million different ideas in terms of what you could buy and sell. And those items are definitely proven to make you money at garage sales, thrift stores, flea markets. Now, they will require you to leave your home a little bit, but for me personally, that's how I was able to quit my job and then, take each step onto other things like, eBay and Amazon and Upwork and Kindle ebooks and affiliate marketing and whatnot. So if you guys did enjoy this video, do me a big favor and smash that like button down below. And also, guys, I want to know, what's your favorite way to make money online right now? Which one of these ideas that I mentioned really resonated with you most? If you have any questions, guys, related to eBay, Amazon, selling items from home, Upwork.com, YouTube, Kindle ebooks, affiliate marketing, you guys leave a comment below. I got your back, and I'm here to help you to start making money online. I didn't know if it was possible when I quit my job 5, 6 years ago. Like, I didn't think you could make money online. But when you're in this game long enough, I can tell you this right now with 100% certainty, it's not as hard as we make it out to be. Just take that first step, get started with something, put your heart and soul into it, research these YouTube videos, and give yourself a chance to succeed. It's not going to be easy. It's going to take some time. But if I can do it, I'm not the brightest bulb in the world. I can promise you that. If I can do it, you can definitely do it as well. So with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.